I am Hiren Jadeja, representing Jyoti CNC Automation Ltd here at Pune Machine Tool Expo. After a long period of, say, 6.5 years, we have a now opportunity to showcase our state-of-art products as well as technologies over here. And we are proudly contributing to our mission, that is Atmanirbhar Bharat. As per our aspirations, India is aspired to become a $5 trillion economy by 2027. And again, 20% of the share would come from the manufacturing. And as far as the manufacturing sector is concerned, we have an omnipresence for the automobile, aerospace, defense, pumps and valves, general engineering, and emerging sectors like electronic manufacturing services and semiconductors. So it would be a great opportunity for us to demonstrate our state-of-art products as well as technologies over here.